Okay, we're here after a recent rain and looking at the water flow in this area. This is a voiceover, so about a year ago, this is what the water flow looks like, and this year we seeded the space with yarrow seeds, Plains coreopsis, longleaf plantain, and some other seed mixtures. And later on, see how it goes. Space pools up. So in this next location, there is a good amount of about 150 apricot trees, and they're companion planted with some roses and some yarrow. And then in the back area beyond the fence, there's several native plums too. And now it's like completely dominated by cover crop.